Hello friends, this is your host Saurabh from TechNeutral. Today I am going to give you a review on Carbon Sparkle V. This smartphone supports Android One operating system. Before opening this box, I'm just giving you a spec of this device. This device comes with 1.3 GHz quad-core processor. The uh, the screen size of this device is 4.5 5-inch. It supports 4 GB internal memory and you can expand it up to 32 GB using micro SD card. It comes with 5 megapixel back camera and 2 megapixel front camera. 1 GB RAM is in it. It comes with 1700 mAh battery. It support dual SIM. One SIM slot is for 2G and one SIM slot is for 3G. Yeah. Now I am going to open this box. This is the phone. Yeah. This is the phone. Nice red color. Now we are going to see what's inside it. This is the warranty card. This is the user manual. It is headphone. It is charging cord. It is adapter for charging through electricity. And one of the good thing inside this is the scratch guard. You can fix it like this. Okay. Now I'm going to give you the overview about this phone. On the top of this smartphone, this is a 3.5 mm audio jack. Here you can insert headphone for listening music. Bottom side of this smartphone, here you can insert for chargers, charging cord, or you can also connect it for sync mobile data to your laptop. Now I am going to give you opening the back panel to show you is its battery is attached it or not. Yeah, you can remove battery from the back panel. Here are two SIM slot. One, as I mentioned in my giving you the detail about the feature, I told you that one SIM slot is for 3G and one SIM slot for the 2G. This is micro SD card slot. This is the back camera. Now I am fixing the flap here. This back camera support 5 megapixel with the flash, and it is a front camera. It support 2 megapixel. Uh, right side of this smartphone, this is a volume rocker key. By it you can increase and decrease volume. This small button, by using it you can on and off a smartphone, and you can also lock and unlock your device. Now I'm going to open it. Yeah, it is opening. One of the best feature of this device is its surface. Its surface is not too edgy, it's too good. You can it feel very comfortable to me when I'm capturing it like it, because it is a good thing whenever you are going to play any racing game. Now it's open. Now we are just go to directly to setting. Yeah, in the setting area in about phone, here it is displaying here that the version of this phone, Android version 4.4.4, model number is Sparkle V. On the top here it is system updates, so you can update your device whenever you want to update. Okay. uh, Everything is here like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, data usage, sound, display, storage, battery, app, location, everything. Now we are going to see what is the preloaded apps in it. Here some apps like Money Control, OLX, News and Weather, Snapdeal, and Saman. Yeah. Now I'm going to give you the some quick review about the camera. uh, wow, When we click on the camera button, here we are some notification is coming here like insert an SD card before using the camera. Means you have to insert a macro SD card on the back of the side where I showed displayed you before. Before. So you have to first insert macro SD card here, then you will able to click any image. Okay, but I'm just giving you the image quality of the device. uh, it's good, it's capture natural color, it's nice, and all of the some basic feature is also is coming with it, like the photo sphere, uh, panorama, lens blur, everything. So, and other part of this device is it also comes with the FM radio, uh, and I also told you that it support it is a dual SIM phone, so it support one slot for 2G and one uh, slot for 3G. So friends, this is my review. If you want to know about, if you have any query, you can connect with us on my email ID. It is editor@technutor.com or technutor@gmail.com, or you can also write here. Uh, don't forget to subscribe our Technutor channel. It is our YouTube page, and don't forget to like this video and also share this video with family and friends. Sayonara, bye. May God bless you all. Take care. Thank you.